Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be literally just a super chill clean with me during the week. I had a few things that I wanted to get done today and I definitely did not want to clean my entire house. So I knew that I had some laundry to do. I also knew that I have been really putting off my kitchen floor. It was just disgusting. So I definitely needed to clean that, pretty much just pick up everything around the house. And I also have been dying to do my front porch, and I know I've been talking about it a lot, but I'm going to tell y'all the truth. I'm going to let you know what's been going on. So the whole plan was that I was going to restain the front porch and the stairs, but once Ruben got out there and he pressure washed everything, we realized that many of the boards, if not pretty much all of the boards on the stairs and the front porch, all need to be replaced, and there was just no point in spending the money or the time in putting all the new stain on it if we're just going to replace that. And we thought, we're not going to do that right now. We're probably going to wait till spring to do that. So I'm not going to put all of that hard work into something that's just going to get torn out anyway. And I had all of these things that I wanted to show you guys and that I wanted to start using. So I decided to just go ahead and go out and refresh the front porch. That way I could use the stuff that I had and just, kind of switch up things a little bit, just kind of make it look a little bit nicer. And sometimes we just need something new, even if nothing is new, just to switch something around, like rearranging a room or something like that. I love doing that. Obviously I would do it in every room that I could, but we just don't have the space to do that. Pretty much the way that everything is the way it's got to stay. So definitely stick around to watch the little front porch transformation. But this was a day that I had just gotten off from work, and like I said, I didn't want to do a lot, but I knew that there were some things that needed to be done, and I figured I would just bring you guys along with me. But I'm so happy you're here today. I hope this gives you some motivation, but let's just go ahead and jump right on into it.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
So I kind of just want to give a little story about that scrub daddy that I had to switch out. If you guys have been around for at least a little while, I showed you where I finally got the scrub daddy paste, and it came with the white scrub mommy, and I've not been able to find it anywhere, and I was so stinking excited that it came with that. I have been just absolutely loving that white sponge because it just matched everything, right? So over the weekend, Ruben made smash burgers, and that little black thing that you saw me wash in the sink, that was like the grease little trap drain thing that goes on the back of the what's that called, Blackstone. That's what goes on the back of the Blackstone. And I had come home and I was like, what in the world is all over my sponge? And literally not like 2 minutes after I thought that to myself, I got a text from Ruben, and he was like, honey, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you that I made a mess with that grease trap and I ruined your white sponge. He had went to dump that grease into a separate bowl in the sink before he threw it out, and he literally dumped it all over that white sponge, and it was ruined. So I had to throw it away and get another one out. It's perfectly fine. I mean, it's a sponge, for crying out loud. But anyway, also, I wanted to say that I know I talk a lot of smack about Bodie. You guys know I love him deeply, and I would lay down and give my life for him. But editing these videos really just shows me he's like just literally the sweetest, most gentle boy ever. Like, just to be standing there washing dishes and he just comes and sits and lays down and he follows me everywhere. It just really warms my soul. Although in the moment I'm like, could you please just go lay down? It's just the sweetest thing ever. I don't know. I just absolutely love it. But I was sitting here thinking about summer as well. Obviously, I haven't had anybody to talk to at home today, so I'm just going to go ahead and just talk all over this video. I'm sorry. If you came here for just like some light jazzy music, my bad. So anyway, I was thinking about summer, right? And I'm getting ready to go on vacation with my mom and her husband, and I think both of my boys are going to come and spend a little bit of time. But Ruben actually has a fishing trip that's been planned since like December, so he's not going to be able to get to go with us, but we're going to the beach. And I just kind of wanted to know, what are y'all doing for the summer? Have you already had your vacation? Do you have something planned for, after the kids go back to school? Like I've said, I love kids, but I really love my kids, and when I'm on vacation I don't want to deal with anybody else's kids except for mine. So that's why we like to go in September. School's already back in session usually, and it's not so busy and crowded, and honestly I just want to get in the lazy river. That's it. That's all I want to do. I want to get a beer, get in the lazy river, and just wake me up when they close down the joint. You know what I'm saying? So I'm super excited to do that. I cannot wait to go on vacation. I desperately, desperately need it. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys did this summer. Any trips that you had, anywhere that you plan on going. I just like to live vicariously through you guys. finally we're here on the front porch, and if you guys remember, I had like a 4-piece set of furniture out here. It was this couch, a table, and 2 smaller chairs, and it was just, I loved it, but it was just too much. It was too much for this little porch, and I needed to do something about it. And at my mom's new house, she actually has like this little screened in area right off of her kitchen, and so I gave her the 2 chairs and the table, and it looks perfect out there, and it really freed up a lot of space here on my front porch. So this isn't like, you know, super huge magic that I did out here, but I went ahead and just sprayed everything off and decided to flip that couch around so that it sits on the end of the porch right there, and it just really opens it up. Like when we go out there and sit with Bodie, he really likes to lay in front of us, and that way it gives so much more room when we go and sit on that little couch. I love it. It just feels so good. So I actually got this little fern. I can't remember the name of it. If you know the name of it, let me know in the comments. I threw the card away. But I ended up getting this at Walmart on clearance for $5, and you know what that means. It's going to be dead in 3 days. But we're going to try. We're really going to try. I figured just a little cute something right there in the corner would look good. And yes, I know everything is kind of off-center, but ask me if I care. I don't. It feels good. It's different, and I like it. So there. So these little things right here are like the Poufs that everybody has, but I'm not spending $50 on those things. And I actually found these on Amazon. They're $19. They come in different colors, different patterns, and the inside is like an inflatable, see? And it comes with a pump and all that good stuff. And then the outside, the ones that I got are kind of like this corduroy material. And I'm going to be honest, I've had one of them out for months now. So this is the other one that I took out. I wanted to save one so that when I did this video, I could show it to you. And it's made for the outdoors. So like if it gets dirty, you can unzip it and you can throw it in the washer. And I didn't realize until I opened the second one that the 2 that they sent me are 2 completely different colors. So I'm just crossing my fingers that the sun fades it and just kind of has it match a little bit more. But this one's also kind of a little bit wet where I had it sitting on this carpet little rug thing after I sprayed everything off. But what I found was easy. So I would go ahead and pump it up almost all the way and then put it inside of there, because if you pump it up all the way, it's hard. It's a struggle to get it in that little cover. So I finished pumping it up in there, and as you can see, it just zips right up. They are super sturdy. You can sit on them. You can put your feet on them. And I ended up getting 2 because I don't have that table anymore. So you can sit on the couch. You can put your feet up. Or you could use one to like set your drink or your phone or whatever else on. I absolutely love these things. And I know I paid less than $20 for these each. So I'll have these linked in my description box if you want to check it out. Again, like I said, they come in different colors and patterns, and I absolutely love them. And then this little rug set I got at Ollie's. I ended up getting it for $4. Don't bypass Ollie's. If you have one, please go look at them. So anyway, it comes in this 2 rug set, and I like that it had this buffalo check one because then I can switch out things on top of it throughout the year. So it was like a beautiful 2-for-1. This one on top, not the best quality. I kind of snagged it a little bit when I took the little tags off, but that's okay. It's going to get ruined with Bodie feet and dirt anyway. I figured it was a really good transition to fall. And then my other favorite thing is this gate. You guys know that I was using like 2 baby gates tied together with zip ties, and it looked horrible. Anyway, I got this one off of Amazon as well, and it just looks like a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. You can use it inside, outside for pets, babies, what have you. I'll have that linked in the description box as well. You just use those little sticky hooks and you put them wherever you want to. Best money I have spent in a very long time. So while I was at Walmart getting that plant, I also saw those wind chimes, and I'm a sucker for wind chimes, you guys. The last set that I had got broken in a huge storm, so I decided to grab another set, and I just like sitting out here and listening to the chimes and, you know, playing with Bodie and watching the neighbors and being nosy. But that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you a little bit of motivation. Thank you for coming and watching today. I hope you come back and watch another one. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to go and follow me over on Instagram. But I gotta go. I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Wish for this moment to never go away, but it's all in my mind.